Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome! I'm also new here on YouTube. So today, medyo kakaiba yung i-discuss natin ngayon. Kagaya ng background ko ngayon na medyo kakaiba din. So, nag-iba yung background ko kasi andito ako ngayon sa bahay namin sa Tagaytay. And if you watched the previous video na in-upload ko before this one, yung tungkol sa aswang, ito po yung bintana kung saan po nangyari yung pagkwento ko. So, ito yung bintana na yung exact bintana. Nandito kami nung time na nangyari yon. If you don't know what I'm talking about, head over to my previous video. Nandun yung kwento ko dun sa aswang experience ko. So, let's move on to the video for today. So, ngayon, ang i-discuss po natin, isang topic na sobrang nakaka-mind-boggle siya, and at the same time, I'm sure ang daming opinions everywhere. It's different opinions from different people, from different countries, pero usually, nagkakapare-pareho siya sa kung saan natin sila nakikita and ano itsura nila. So, these are UFO sightings, and ang ginawa ko po is I just collated UFO sightings here in the Philippines. So, these videos are not my own. They are all over the internet. They've been all over the news already. So, I just simply collated the ones that happened here in the Philippines para po yun yung mas ma-share ko sa inyo today. So, ngayon, magtatakil tayo ng 3 topics. So, the first topic is the UFO sightings. So, I'll just show you some videos. Second is an alien video na dito daw sa Philippines. I don't know if it's real or a hoax. We'll see. And then the third one is about the men in black. So, hindi yung men in black na yon, okay? So, iba. So, antayin nyo yung video ko kasi magkakadugtong lahat ng sasabihin ko sa inyo today. So, let's start. Okay, so for the first video na ipapakita ko sa inyo, this happened noong April 26, 2015. And apparently, hindi lang isang tao ang nakakita, kundi maraming tao ang nakakita and maraming nakapag-video. So, napaka-handy ng mga mobile phones natin ngayon, no? Na you can just take a video anytime, anywhere. And itong nangyari sa Pampanga, it was all over the news. It was all over social media. So, they called it the dancing lights in Pampanga. Kasi, one night, meron silang mga nakitang ilaw sa sky na obviously hindi airplano, obviously hindi siya drones, and obviously it's something else. So, paano mo malalaman ba kung airplano siya or UFO? So, ang airplano, tuloy-tuloy ang galaw niyan. So, when you see an airplane sa sky, usually umaandar talaga siyang ganyan, di ba? Hindi naman nakaka-stop in the middle of the air, tapos bababa, or kakaliwa, mawawala, biglang nandyan. So, yun yung characteristic na tinitingnan natin if it is an airplane or if it's something else. So, etong sa Pampanga, I don't know. You be the judge. Tingnan nyo to.
Kumakalat ngayon sa social media ang mga video at larawan ng mga umano'y unidentified flying objects o UFOs na nakuna ng ilang mga biyahero sa May Pampanga nitong linggo. Nagpapatrol, Caroline Bongkin.
Mabilis na kumalat sa Facebook ang video ng mga ilaw na ito na tila nakalutang sa ere. Ang sabi ng kumuha ng video na si Paulo Gallardo, nasa Lubao, Pampanga Diversion Road sila bandang alas 8 ng gabi noong linggo nang mapansin ang mga ilaw na bumubuo ng letter V. Noong una ay 3 ilaw lang ang kanilang nakita, hanggang naging 10. Nawala ang unang grupo ng 5 ilaw. Maya-maya ay nawala na rin ang 5 pa. Binalikan nila ang lugar kahapon ng umaga. Wala kahit na anong gusali sa tapat kung saan nila nakita ang mga ilaw. Nakita rin ng grupo ni Myla Baculo ang mga ilaw habang bumabiyahe sa may SCTEX Concepcion, Tarlac. Sa unang larawan, nakuha nila ang 5 ilaw. Sa video nakuha nila, nawala sandali ang mga ilaw at naiwan ang liwanag sa langit. Saka, isa-isa muling lumabas ang 5 maliwanag na ilaw. Pagkalipas lang ng ilang segundo, unti-unti itong nawala hanggang magdilim na ang langit.
Alright, so there you have it. So what do you think? A lot of people would say na, ay hindi, airplano yan. How do you know nga if airplano siya or UFO? So usually, Pag eroplano naman, pag nakita mo sa sky, ang eroplano gumagalaw siya. So, laging ganon. And ang eroplano, walang capability na pag ganon siya, bigla siyang babalik or bababa, yung ganon, or magsa-stop. So, that's one thing you have to keep in mind. If it keeps on moving in one direction, that's an airplane. Pero if it's going ganito, ganyan, ganon, ganyan, or babalik, ganon, definitely, it's something else. So, usually, a lot of people claim na may mga lights siya and it's like flickering or blinking, and minsan magsa-start sila na isa, tapos biglang dadami sila up to maybe 5 or 8, kagaya nung nakita nyo. I don't know. You be the judge. So this next one naman happened in Bulacan. So another UFO sighting, it's on a different date naman, and I'll just show you the video and then you judge it for yourself.
Kaya yung bagay na yun. Kulay dilaw siya pag tinignan sa ano. Grabe, ibang klase. Ayun.
Ano yan?
Hindi planeta lumalakad. May pula siya. Pula dilaw, pula dilaw, pula dilaw. Yun yung nagiging kulay niya dito. Yung registro niya sa camera. So ayan. Yung registro niya sa camera is pula eh. Dilaw. Ayan. Ngayon pataas na siya ng pataas. Kanina gumagalaw siya.
Okay, and then the third one, this one naman happened in Las Piñas. So ito po ay medyo similar siya dun sa nasa Bulacan. And it's something that's very creepy kasi definitely alam mo hindi siya airplano. So tingnan nyo to.
UFO!
Yeah, UFO!
Dali! Ayan o, ano yan? UFO!
Anong sasabi niya? UFO!
UFO! Nawala!
Ayun o!
Ayun, no?
Ayun o!
Hindi niya replano? Replano yata.
Ayun o!
Makita ko. Replano yata.
Kinukunan ko. UFO, UFO!
Anong ito man?
Ayan o!
UFO!
Nandito, nakukuha ko.
Asan o? Hindi pa replano yun?
Hindi!
Hindi man binugtol.
Tatlo yan, tatlo!
Ayun na, ano yan?
Nasaan na, nasaan na?
Ayun na yan!
Alright, so there you have it. What do you guys think? It's sort of creepy, right? So ako, meron akong experience din of my own. And this happened nung umuwi ako ng LA last year. So, nandun kami sa likod. It was 4th of July. So, for those of you who don't know, 4th of July is one of the biggest holidays in the US. So, maraming mga fireworks, ganyan, and we celebrated. And nung lumabas ako dun sa backyard, nagulat na lang ako kasi pagtingin ko sa taas, nakita ko na naman sila. Kung ano yung exactong nakikita ko pag nandito ako sa Pilipinas, yun din yung nakita ko. Grupo sila ng mga parang mukhang stars. Tapos, titigil. Tapos, mamaya may isa na aalis, babalik sa kanila. Tapos, mamaya, sabay-sabay silang magkukumpul-kumpul, mawawala. Yung ganon. So, I don't know. As in, nung na-video ko to, unfortunately, the only camera that I had during that time was my iPhone. So, kinunan ko siya ng iPhone ko and nakita rin siya ng mga pinsan ko, ng mga kapitbahay namin. So, parang, nawiligahan lang kami na parang hindi to normal na parang drones lang. And I know dun sa area kasi namin, sa may backyard, bawal talaga magpalipad ng drones kasi may mga electric wires. So, I don't know. You be the judge. Ito, tingnan niyo yung clip.
I told you not to play with it.
Ate Jo, ano to? Okay, so there you have it. So I'm sorry for the resolution of my camera kasi nga nung time na yun, iPhone lang yung hawak ko. And nung tinitingnan ko siya, ang weird lang kasi nga gumagalaw sila in different patterns. So like minsan bababa, left, right, ganyan. Parang it's so strange, definitely not airplanes, and I have no idea what they are. I don't know why they're here, but there are a lot of different theories out there. There's a lot of theories from the internet na sinasabi nila na they are the time travelers. So yun daw yung mga time machines. They're just going back here to check what's happened or maybe to change something. Kaya may Mandela effects. Panoorin niyo po yung pangalawang video ko para lalo kayo So, other opinions naman, they say na really they're aliens, they're beings that live in another planet, and they've been here for centuries. Kasi nga, if I talk about them, napakadami po talaga. If nakita niyo yung dati, yung meron pa nga sa isang painting, na lumang painting, makikita mo na may UFO na doon. Sa Egypt, meron na rin silang mga hieroglyphs na nagpakita na meron na talaga nagpapakitang UFO since way back. And ang dami-daming theories. Now, dito tayo sa isang alien video naman, para medyo mas lighter. Kasi pag pinag-usapan natin, pag nag-focus tayo doon, mas lalalim siya na lalalim. So, etong next is a video naman that was taken here sa Pilipinas na may pinapakita silang alien na nakunan daw on camera. I don't know if it's real or a hoax. Mahilig ako sa mga ganitong vids, pero may konting pa rin ako, skepticism pa rin ako when it comes to it. I'm not sure if talagang alien na nga ba yun? Or maybe it's just camera effects. So, here's the video.
Pinagkakaguluhan ngayon po doon sa Victoria, Laguna ang sinasabing nakunan ng litrato ng isang alien kamakailan. Ito yata'y sa cellphone. Nagpapatrol si Dolan Castro.
Nitong nakaraang linggo, abala sa paglilinis ng mga kanal ang mga opisyal ng Barangay San Roque sa Victoria, Laguna. Matapos manalasa ang bagyong Glenda, kinunan ng litrato ni Barangay Kagawad Nestor Haurige sa kanyang cellphone ang nililinis na kanal. Pero laking gulat niya nang makitang may kakaibang maliit na imahe sa nakunang litrato na higit 10 beses umano lumabas.
Napansin ko parang may alien na nakikita doon sa picture. May isa doon sa kanto. Bawat before, during, and after, kinukunan ko yan.
Alright, so there you have it. So marami nagsasabi na tingin nila, ano daw yun, just camera effects or maybe photoshopped. So, I really don't know. Pero, it's just kind of strange lang. Nung inisip ko talaga na maybe nga Photoshop siya. Kasi it's just too real for an alien to be in a photo. Pero, ang naisip ko lang, sa lahat ng i-insert nila yung picture na yun ng alien, bakit sa nililinis na kanal? Alam mo yun, parang if you want people to believe in you, magpakita ka ng alien maybe in a field or something like that. Mas, alam mo yun, mas believable. Pero it's just, it's quite strange. So, you be the judge. I really don't know. Alright, so dito na tayo sa medyo mas mabigat na topic. So, these are about the men in black.
I am the man in black. I'm back.
Hindi yung Men in Black na yan. Hindi yung Men in Black na yan. So, it is a really funny movie. I mean, I've watched all three. And nakakatuwa kasi meron pala talagang Men in Black. And na-research ko rin siya online. I've watched other YouTubers do videos about them. And it's really, really creepy, guys. Sobrang nakakatakot siya. Kasi, ang sinasabi nila, ang Men in Black daw ay pumupunta dun sa mga tao na talagang nakakita na ng UFO or aliens, and they go to your house, they talk to you, and they tell you to stop broadcasting it everywhere, to stop sharing it with people, yung ganon. And ang sabi ng mga nakakita dito sa Men in Black na to, kasi nagkaroon na ng maraming cases na nakakita ng may pinuntahan talaga sila na tao. And nakakatakot kasi grabe yung itsura daw nila. So, dalawa sila, tapos pareho silang sobrang puti. Yung isa, mas maliit siya kaysa dun sa isa. Yung isa, mas matangkad. Wala daw silang eyebrows. Tapos, nakasuit sila usually na itim. Just like the Men in Black. And they don't have hair. They don't have facial hair. And the way ka daw nilang tingnan, it's as if they're looking through your soul. Na parang they know if you're lying or not. And nagkaroon siya ng isang footage sa isang hotel kasi pinuntahan nila yung isang employee ng isang hotel sa US kasi nakakita sila ng UFO. And I'm not sure if they were about to maybe parang broadcast the video or something, pero just after that day, pinuntahan sila doon, tinanong nila yung mga empleyado, and good for that person kasi nung araw na yun, wala daw siya, naka-day off siya. Pero yung kinausap ng Men in Black, natakot siya, babae na nagtatrabaho yata siya sa front desk, and sabi niya, it was so strange na parang the way siyang kinausap, parang tumatagos yung tingin, na parang nakakabasa sila ng isip. And sinabi nga niya na wala po siya dito, wala siya, naka-day off siya, tapos umalis sila, and nakunan sila ng CCTV. So ito yung video na yon. Creepy! So, yun yung isa sa mga sinasabi nila na parang kasama siya sa pagko-conspiracy theory about aliens or UFO sightings. And sabi nila na these guys actually know where you live, they even know what you're thinking of, and meron ng mga naging cases about them. You can Google them. Marami na kasing mga nagkaroon ng experience with them and mga natakot talaga. As in, they're really scary na parang hindi na sila tao. So, the question is, who are they? And most importantly, what are they? Okay guys, so there you have it. That's the video that I have for you today kasi it's actually an intro video on your experiences. So, do you have any opinions about life in other planets or life in another universe? And what are they? Comment nyo sa baba. Tapos, ano pong tingin nyo dun sa picture ng alien? Real or hoax? So, totoo o hindi? And also, let me know guys what you think about the Men in Black. So, they're very creepy. I don't know if meron nang nagkaroon ng experience dito sa Pilipinas. If meron na, please let me know in the comments below. Let me know kung ano yung naging experience nyo, kung meron man. And I hope to see you guys again on my next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. My next video is gonna be up by maybe next week or late this week. It's gonna be really special kasi I'm sure it's another video that you guys will like very much. And I also need your help pala kasi meron akong ginagawa ngayon na isang video and it's all about dreams. So, dream interpretations, lucid dreaming. Meron na sa inyo nag-comment din about that. I am an active dreamer, actually, very active dreamer. And astral projections. If you have any ideas about those things, comment kayo below and I might feature you in the next video that I'll do. Usap tayo. Okay? So again guys, thank you for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel. And meron na po pala akong Facebook page. So bagong Facebook page, ililink ko po siya sa baba. Make sure that you like the page. Tapos doon tayo pwedeng mas makapag-interact. So I'll see you guys again on my next video kung di pa ako kunin ng mga Men in Black.